Hong Kong's best beaches, abandoned villages and a sharp peak. We're taking on Hong Kong's 10 best easy walks right here on Drone and Phone. Well, welcome back to our 10 easy walks. We're here in Sai Kung with Muloy, of course. Today's going to be a beautiful but reasonably easy walk. How are you feeling?
Good, and excited to see the scenery here in Sai Kung.
We're hoping to get a really good variation and not too long either. Right, let's get going.
Let's go.
Despite its reputation as a bustling metropolis, Hong Kong offers a wide choice of scenic hiking trails that traverse mountains, coastal cliffs and tranquil islands, providing an unexpected but enjoyable way to explore the city's natural beauty. In this series, we've chosen 10 easy hikes that get you around the region without too much stress on the body. Muloy, who is relatively new to Hong Kong and hiking, is our guinea pig. Today, we start at the Sai Kung waterfront and hop in a green taxi to the Sai Wan Pavilion. There are a few minibuses driving this route, but taxi is the most reliable option this time to get to the start point. From the pavilion, set off along the concrete path to Sai Wan, stopping for some great views across the inlets of the High Island Reservoir. Okay, up the first very small hill, and now we're going down to Sai Wan. From here it should start opening up in a minute. The path finishes with a descent down into the beach village of Sai Wan, where there are plenty of small restaurants and shops, a great place for a lunch. Follow the beach path to your left, across a river, and then make your way up the other side. So there is a little bit of a hill in this part, though the steepest climb is going to be in the next section after we get down to the next beach. If you pass by at night, there's a special stargazing area set up on the way over to Ham Tin. In a city with no shortage of bright lights at night, this is one of the few places on a clear night you can take in the galaxy above. So we can broadly divide this hike into 3 sections. The first section coming from the Sai Wan Pavilion over to Sai Wan. That's a little up and over, nothing too strenuous, along a concrete path. And then at that point we join the MacLehose and we come along this coastal path which we've just done. And you can see these fantastic views down to Ham Tin Beach down below. But we're actually going to take a left here and go up for the last section, which is going to take us up and over down to a nice little fishing village, and then round that, and then one more up and down to the road where we're going to get out and take the bus. Once down to Ham Tin Beach, follow the signs for MacLehose Trail. This takes you off the beach and through a sand dune as you start to find your way out over the valley. Here you start to head north, up and over a ridge. So on this section we're starting to climb a little bit. We're going to be doing a bit of a hike up, but on here we are much more forested, more protected from the sun than the open parts earlier on. Now we're just coming into one of the small villages, Tai Long village, where there's plenty of places to get refreshments and things along the way. Well, this is the toughest of the climbs today. It isn't anything major, but it will take your breath away. So I would suggest just take it easy when you hit this hill. I don't know if you can see behind us, but we've got to get out of this valley. And the only way out is up and over that ridge right in front. So we've still got a fair bit of climbing to do. Have a look at Sharp Peak behind there. Beautiful. Once over the hill, you start a descent down to the old Hakka fishing village of Chek Keng. Back in 2003, the village had one registered resident, an old lady of 84. Now on the weekends, you'll find more homes occupied as villagers return to cash in on the passing walkers. If you are tired and lucky, you may also find enterprising villagers offering speedboat rides to Wong Shek Pier. From here, there is one more hill to climb to get to the Paktam Road, where there are buses back to Sai Kung. Well, we're just finishing the final hill. It's been about 12k. How's it been for you, Muloy?
It's relatively easy. I'm having fun actually, and Well, fantastic views of the beaches in Sai Wan and Hampton. God.
It has been really quite a spectacular. I would say this is likely to be our number one. I'm going to wait till we finish before we decide which one is. We're going to let Muloy have a choice as well. We've still got 2 more to do.
Most likely this one.
But for now, this one is looking very good. Now, if you're finding this show for the first time, you can find all of our previous episodes nicely catalogued on droneandphone.com. Also on our YouTube channel, just search out Drone and Phone. Right, for now, my name's DJ.
I'm Muloy.
And this is
Drone
Drone
and
and Phone.